So before we officially start Animation Bootcamp, we would like you to complete the evaluation exercise. And there's 2 points to doing this. One, I want to find out where you're at right now so we can have a point of comparison when you get to the end of the course to see how much improvement you've made. On top of that, I also want to start developing some good animation habits inside of you. And that's going to really be brought out by the tedious nature of this task. You can see that this little piece of artwork has a ton of different layers in it. One of the things that I find, sort of a bad habit that a lot of people get into if they haven't taken animation training is that they get a little lazy and they try to look for shortcuts. And sometimes when you have a piece of artwork with a million little pieces, the coolest thing you can do is animate all those pieces. So you're going to be tempted to use shortcuts and not animate everything. And so I want to see what you guys do with this. So let me just walk you through the project. When you download it, you'll see these 3 pre-comps. The background pre-comp, you don't need to touch. Inside of this UI pre-comp, you just double click it. You can see this interface has been broken up literally into every single piece, and all of those pieces have been put into pre-comp. So for example, this top row of white icons here is inside the top row pre-comp, and every single piece has been broken out for you. Same thing with all of these little windows. So window 1 is that. Window 2 is this. If you go into window 2, you'll see every single little piece. You can turn them on and off. You can do whatever you want. And just remember that this is a short animation, so this can't take 10 seconds, but it needs to have a lot of energy and feel really fun. In addition to this, we've got the type broken out so that you have every single letter on its own little shape layer. So again, you don't have to animate each letter individually, but you can, or you can just animate the word. But I want to see what you guys come up with. And once you're done, make sure you follow the instructions in the how to turn in your work video so that we can ensure your homework gets to your teaching assistant, where you can already start to get some critique, get a little sneak preview of the types of things you're going to be learning in this course. Also, we want to make sure that your work ends up on the group so that your fellow students can see it. I'm going to be imploring you to critique each other throughout this process, and also make sure that your project files end up in the right place, which is going to allow everybody to share After Effects projects throughout Animation Bootcamp, which is a really great tool. If you see something really cool another student did, we want to make it really easy to go download their After Effects project, dissect it, and learn new technical skills in addition to these animation skills we're teaching. On top of that, and I'm going to keep reinforcing this, please, after you've posted your work, or even before, maybe you're running behind or something, but if you see other people posting their work and you think it's great, tell them. If you feel like something's not working, try to articulate it. It's going to help everybody, especially you, because it's going to help you develop that critical eye for animation. I'm telling you, critiquing other people's work, good or bad, positive or negative feedback, it's still incredibly helpful for them and for you.